All right, here she is, the 2021 Dodge 3500, locked and loaded for full on-road domination. But that's not how this story started. This truck came in with a blown transmission due to stock gearing mixed with a big lift and oversized tires. Not to mention the OEM pushrods, cam, and lifters were just waiting to jump ship. Let's dive into what makes this beast tick now that we've had our hands on it. First up, the Hamilton cam lifter conversion. The stock hydraulic roller lifters have a known tendency to tick under load, thanks to those weak rollers and oiled internals. We heard it ourselves. Intermittent ticking on the rockers and the push rods meant something had to change. So we dropped in the Hamilton flat tappet kit, camshaft, DLC-coated tappets, beefed up push rods, and Trunnion rockers to eliminate the noise and strengthen the valve train for the long haul. We also performed a front and rear diff, regear, and rebearing. We upgraded from the stock 343s to the 444s. This gives us sharper throttle response, better towing RPM in every gear, and improves off-the-line grunt. It's the perfect mix of street drivability and heavy hauling, despite the big lift and oversized tires, without straining the rest of the drivetrain. And we didn't stop there. We race transmission built this truck too. Cooler, tighter shifts, and built to handle the extra torque we're pushing through. Under the hood, we locked in the top end with ARP head studs, critical for keeping cylinder pressure sealed when you're playing with injectors and fueling. No head lift, no blown gaskets, that's S&M Diesel's quality, built to stay tight. We bumped the fuel capacity with 100-horse injectors, pushing the Cummins harder for extra horsepower and torque. To top it off, we added a FASS fuel system lift pump, keeping the filters full, air-free, and maintaining proper fuel system pressure for the higher fuel demand. We also did a Glacier diesel grid heater delete. That plate frees up airflow and removes failure points. So that's it, a 2021 Dodge 3500 risen from what might have seemed like a future listing as a parts truck to being stronger and more reliable than OEM. Loud, torquey, lockdown top end, precise fueling, and aggressive gearing. That's what the S&M guys do. Thanks for tagging along. Stay tuned because we're just getting started on new builds for this summer.